Good morning, it's Chris Ralph, the project manager here at Hartlepool Station. Hartlepool is the busiest single through platform in the country, with train services from the up and down direction having to come into this nearest platform 2 line. So as part of our scope, we're looking to increase services on platform 3 to reduce the bottleneck in either side of the station. Give you a quick overview of what we've done today on the job. We constructed a 60 space car park. We took down part of the brick wall on platform 2. We had to relocate some signalling equipment from platform 3 to the far north side of platform 3. We installed some new signalling equipment. We had a track off of the far line, the upside, 329 metres. We've installed a new footbridge, complete with lifts, extended platform 2 a further 20 metres to house the lifts. This scheme is a huge benefit to the local community. We're increasing the capacity of train services. We've done away with a bottleneck at either end of the platform. The EFA gives increased accessibility for all the passengers that use the station, and trains started using the platform from the 2nd of June.